Today I'm going to show you how to do printhead alignment on my Brother MFC-J4510DW. Now, printhead alignment is a good way of resolving kind of fuzzy looking prints, or even sometimes removing vertical lines that you might be getting down your prints. And if you've done cleaning cycles and test pages and you're having trouble shaking the print quality issue, I'd recommend giving this a go. So, from the main screen of the printer, we need to press Settings on the top right hand side. If you weren't already on that screen, you just press that Home button to be returned there. Then we need to go into Ink, and then Test Print, and then we need to go to Alignment, which is the bottom option. Press OK. Now this will take your printer just a minute, and then you'll end up with a print that looks something like this. And what you need to do here is just select the best option for A, B, C, and D, like the box that has the best looking result in it, which we indicate to the printer here. You can just kind of go up and down to select the best options. Now, looking at A, to be honest, none of these are perfect, but we'll go for 5. Press OK. Then for B, I reckon 5 again. And just carry on in this way, selecting the best option. And what we're basically doing is fine-tuning the alignment of the printhead, improving that print quality, and hopefully removing any kind of small, hard to identify issues your printer's having. As I say, traditional cleaning cycles and test prints are probably the best thing to do first, so if you haven't done those already, now's a real good time to go to print quality and run through those. If you wanted to check them out, we have separate videos on both cleaning and print quality test pages on our channel. Otherwise, hit like if this video has been useful for you, let us know with a comment if there's anything else we can help with. Otherwise, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Take care, bye bye.